some people have about 3 or more life to share with you. Seeing, and also come that a cause baby mother come make it pan politics. Watch me people. You see me I say, yeah man, Sir Peter about her. Big woman thing. So me I go share one little piece of that with you. You see me? And also Blinga and RT boss, them a talk about the Ivan situation, the money where them collect and all, like people are say them scam them or take the money or whatever. Seeing also me have Coco the tick that a popcorn X boy people, you know say she no play when people a come for her. You see me, she go hard. So me go share a piece of that with Uno. I may have some other things. I don't remember everything I go share, but we are going to get in everything. But we are going to kick it off with RT Boss and Blinga. Them talk about the money where them race for Ivani and how people say them take the money. See?
Half our head or our head. So you know your plan for those things as you turn on your phone, you see somebody do it already. So like you have to draw back. That's why I should say, me never tell yourself if me and you do it, but it couldn't do.
But she come out on TikTok. She come out on TikTok and come talk it. Say she did say that to Taya. May I repeat what she said. Based on what you
that's in the voice note. But them they talk before that. Said them have to go trump up sitting whatever. But as me say, uno take it full speed ahead. So them have to just make
Look
that's why when they cussing now, she have to say, you see me that tell you.
She shouldn't take back the money neither.
Alright, so Dan, why is it them over there and I say we thief the money? Like all me know.
That's a mystery.
All me know that. Make RT tell you. If me dip on my face or anything, me call him or me work or whatever, I'm gonna know when this happen. But like, what kind of money with it thief?
No, that's just excitement. You know, TikTok, cuss, yap, TikTok. That no real, nothing. Real people know say that not true. That are just people in them feelings and then just say whatever. Especially the people them in the comment. You have to always remember the people them in the comment are the danger. Them are the danger, you know.
You have a specific girl on the live over there will keep coming over here. And drunk, let me tell you this. If I'm me, who not look for arguing, I not give nobody no more clout. I give Shana Chin one blood clot million kinds and I not give nobody no more. I'm done. I'm tell my boss, I not give nobody else no more.
That's them, Milo.
The comment section are the danger on TikTok, you know. You see anything where you gravitate to pani. If the first story where you gravitate to a fake, remember you put it out already, you know. When the other people them say, no, I never saw it gone, the fake one gone out there already, and that one day got spread. You have to know say I saw the people them pan the upstairs.
You live in America, and you know say immigration lawyer not cheap. You know this. We get the best lawyer them for the girl. You understand? So me no know where our lady blood clot pee. We come talk about we are scam. What the fuck want? Like if you don't want money, me no click me live and beg.
That's what me say. It's just people just attack things for inner one because the topic is Ivan. So you have to say something pertaining to Ivan. So people are gonna carry it back. So
hold on,
people
RT them said B said she have update for me. Tell her send me over RT yard. My soon left cause people them over here crosses.
So the next case when me see you try last night, you get voice note, you get text message.
My love, this said Dan me run on a
no from the girl. From the girl.
Text message, but the type of courthouse I'm run, me supposed to have bigger and better and better proof than
okay. And because remember, I know young people now they with man without sending.
Alright, so this is a situation where they talk about D and her husband, where a girl come say the husband and she get picnic together and one bag or something. And I have a video with D. I talk about Wagwan. So we are going to listen to this and then we are going to play the D thing later on in the video.
in text and get voice note, you know. So if them not them they give you as proof and say this is from the man number, you can say to you man say your man number this, you know, try case unless you have all them the proof. If you say see there, see girl send me number there. No fear feel number there.
See in a request box there.
And them something there you do.
Tell these
because them people that will make problem for
Bling,
not then everything
on the other live, they asked her what's the name of the hotel that they went to for the first time.
She said it yet.
Guys, tell these them over RT page. She could come over here, so.
She stated that they went to a hotel for the first time. They asked her what's the name of the hotel in Mandeville, and she couldn't even state the name of the hotel.
She couldn't even, come on, you have to get proof. You have to have scream, you have to have voice note, and you have to have text. And young people, then text 24/7s. Especially out there with a married man, a be a text, you have to text. Because you have to know when to call him, so I be a text. So send some text, make sure send us some text. From film phone to fear phone, then you believe her. Remember said them they put on the biggest prank on TikTok, you know, man and woman prank, you know. So I can be a next prank that again. So you have to know that people do things to get them name out there.
Miss Blinga.
Dan,
Lady P, what do you have draws?
I feel like
Lady P, what do you have draws?
with our something wrong with the little girl. She don't know how to explain herself. She don't know how to talk and point blank. She's afraid of Jelani. Him scare her. So certain things she's afraid to talk. Because
so you're not afraid to come on social media, come say you're breed for man. Or you're not afraid if you're afraid of man. You're not afraid of man.
Who afraid of social media?
Look a married man.
No, but yeah, so she's afraid of Jelani. If she's afraid of him, she will come and say she has to. She have to come with proof. She have to have proof.
Dan,
so she have to have
proof.
RT collect money tomorrow for Ivani. Call Lady P and tell him to come tell RT what is it she want. So
yeah, all right. Now go make one video and send it to her.
RT and Nurse Brown them start back one new fundraiser. And now her head go blood clot trip because here are you for scammer. For scammer. You must call it 35,000 scammer. So
she have to write one letter. She have to write a letter and tell Brown and RT the reason why she gonna commit the suicide, but she can't get the money unless she commit the suicide. Then we use the money to bury her. But she have to write the letter first. This time it have to be real. This time it have to be real.
She have to put on the black drawers where she have muggle all week and come tell we.
Yeah. Me say, you know, see, you say my young girl have 2 wings and I'm pussy side them. The wings saying come on social media show girl.
No man, the black
girl, black young 30-year-old girl.
No, the girl what she wearing, I'm sorry to cut you. The girl, I think she have a
I'm a great grandmother, me see that girl.
No man, she have a TikTok
Yeah,
shop.
tell you.
TikTok shop she have at the
Yeah, she have a TikTok shop. Because
so that she for focus on. But she have focus on cussing people if she have a TikTok. She do good and make us say, yeah man, the lady step up. I'm going to watch she have
man.
People would have something wrong. She not go about it the right way. Cause me would have buy one. But because of our behavior,
we have a challenge for Lady P. One Lady P put on her black drawers, put on my anybody look better with money.
I with the blood clot.
yeah.
I want that.
You see her down there?
No.
Okay.
Send, reach out to her. She may have come.
Guys, uno call D. Tell her something over here, so. But
Done.
Lady P, because the people them will look better than her and I do better than her. And I don't understand this. This is what I don't understand. So that's why I'm saying, tell her that RT will collect money tomorrow and she must come and just tell RT what is it she want. So him can collect for her too.
And she have to come in her black drawers and me and Dan are going to put on for with drawers and we are going all in the box and anybody look better, then we get the money. Because she cannot walk in her drawers and I get money, I mean not get no money. I mean no me look better than Lady P. Because I have no twin pussy down and me stuff for a young girl. So, you know, it's a challenge.
Lady P
On the
sick.
phone.
The baby mother sick last night. The Candy sick. Me say some topic when the girl come on last night, Blinga. I'm there on the live and say, me and Jinan baby mother. Me dash all my phone. I the phone me dash you.
What them mean some of you take down the phone? What are you guys talking? But all dance lady two pussy jar them.
You see over there, show it.
So with Blinga RT, I say them nah scam the people their money. It hard for people say I no scamming I go on. It hard for people say it. You see what I say? And as me telling the people, me have my opinion on all of that. You see, but me I just go and keep my opinion. And everything good for chat. You see what I say? So it hard for people say I no scamming I go on. So them I go come back look some more money. But me feel like say the people them where are sending the money are them supporter them. Them the people you know what I mean, know where them a collect the money for. So are them supporters that so them people they now go stop sending what them are sending. I know everybody are go sending, but them know who them are collect them money from. You understand what I say? So from here from you know if you have a problem with it still. Using me, you know really if you have a problem with it. Them say Ivan them a collect it for. You understand? Ivan is supposed to be somewhere lock up or whatever. Me have my opinion upon that. Me see a comment in the comment section. I say me no like Ivan. When me ever come upon here can say like bad about her what are not true. Me just speak the facts like how me see it. Like me I watch her, me see some things where she do, me see some things where go on. But it's like she have some fun. The least thing like you say, we're not in a fear favor, them I go take it the wrong way and try to say you don't like her. When you just talk about what you see. And when me say me talk about, you see it.
She have on one green blouse and one black dress and the two wing. She have two wing or two. So you know them a girl them buy if them wear is medium, them buy extra small drawers. So it draws tight.
Oh. Yeah.
So it two wing them come at the side. And then you see two flap. When she says she a show, then when she put on the girl, you know make a difference.
You know, all you have to do, you know that. Your body look nice. All you have to do, I just put on something and do this and beat me. You know, that's it. You don't have to
listen now. Listen. The video is about good morning, Lady P. Today is your day. RT, Miss Bling, and Nurse Brown gonna do a fundraising for you today. But you almost commit suicide. But this time we want you to be real. So we can use the GoFundMe to bury you. Thank you. Have a good day. If she come for me again, because I have nothing to say to her. Me and her not cuss.
But I don't really want to kill herself.
Me and her not cuss.
Miss Brown.
Yeah, she go start cuss and dead people. She go up. I know me she cuss now, she cuss dead people. So we are cuss dead people. Me put for your picture and the dead picture and you know look better than that if he dead. Say, come on.
Nurse Brown, she say she take the and them no work. Tell them what did for comic this. Them no work. So we're saying, okay, so if you not work, take them off. You understand? This girl seek attention from all angles. I feel it's just for you to come. That's something you know, Dan. I swear upon my people them life, you know, Dan. Any day me fall from grace and for this and that and reality. Me I come click me and tell the people them what time it is. She is telling too much lies.
She just a use social media around police.
People just want to be seen, you know. That's all them want to be seen.
Yeah.
Them want to be seen.
She for stop it, man. Then if William, why you over here if William?
I mean, I took suicide very seriously because didn't she end up in the hospital? She end up in the hospital, right?
She
Right,
went
but
to the
so
hospital, Nurse Brown, and do
right
it
now.
in there for people see. And here what happened now. The doctor
Guy, go
said to
look for the
her,
biggest Udan.
let me see, the doctor said to her, say, you already see when she in the car and can't move the neck. Doctor said, do this, do that. And the man said the first time in life him a practice medicine ever see this because it is a lie. If she stop telling the lie, she will get help. Right?
You know, I hope she don't do it again because, you know, if she do it again and if she go into the hospital, they will, lock her up in the psych. If she
Yeah, them go put her in a
We
rehab.
told her that. We told her, right? I'm going to say I better try come out of this. So she watch every screen recording of me. I tell her. I'm going to say, sweetheart, if you want them to tag you, they will tag you. The money where you're going to get a month time no make sense. You can't pay for the car note. You can't pay for the car insurance. You can't pay for your apartment. So make it make sense.
This is a question,
She don't know if you use her platform when she have. She build it and she break it.
Bling, is she working?
She said she lose her work.
But hold on. She used to work big. So she's supposed to comfortable. Me not see the problem.
RT, let me explain the people them situation to you. Them rent apartment for cost arm and a leg to show off on TikTok people. After them rent the apartment, them will cost arm and a leg, them go and them trust car for show off on TikTok people. Then they come and them trouble people. When them trouble people, people call them workplace and get them fired from them workplace. People, when you can't tell him now, can't know. After they get them fired from the workplace, them come on TikTok a cry and I say this is one wicked and that the one wicked. Them say destiny makes she lose the job. Right? Alright. She left, she go live somewhere else. Now me here say the apartment, the rent for this apartment, not that much. No. No, she says she must do Uber. Everything is just a mix fucking up bullshit. So bust my brain try for mix up everything.
Miss Blinga, you know what happened to Lady P? When she have the big platform and you go pan it and you say hello to her, she come off and she run your off.
Yeah,
you see,
you and
Dan are the only person who have on a flat platform and RT will take scholar and try build them. Them never use them platform and build nobody. They run everybody off of them platform. So nobody now look there. Nobody now look pan her. Make she commit the suicide. Me not tell her for going, but she can't go.
A full time now. Listen. We come here, so we do the entertainment, we do the fun, we do the this. Full time now, shit got real. Just come, click your platform, and beg for what you want. May I come beg for my body? Wait.
Sure.
Wait, we don't go and see.
All right, Bling, send call her. Tell us how we want to talk to her.
Yeah, we really want to help her. We really want to analyze her.
People, Lady P is just one hot mess on the media. Me don't know which part she lose it, but she lose it somewhere. Yeah, man, she lose it something. Me don't know if she was like this growing up or something changed her, but for a big woman, she's a hot mess. And this time, she focused on this. Then it's like she want to do something else. She just all over the place. And what she expect people to do, people now go do that. Because she expects she just come on the media, talk with them a little bit, and them just flood her with gift. No, it not go so. It not go so. Certain things just not work for you. Like how it work for other people. And at that, I drive Lady P You know what I mean? For do certain things where she do and say certain things where she say. You have to just accept, say, boy, you don't have the pulling power like some other people. So you just do your work, you work at the time or whatever, and you say you do your Uber. Just do that. If you want to come on social media, come talk to people a little bit, talk to them, and just kind of fix up yourself some of the time when you come on the media. That's all me have to say. I just advice from me to a big person. Although I'm supposed to hold than lady piece still, but you know what I mean, come on the internet better. Somebody will see and maybe like you and come in your life, and you know what I mean, you and them can build together. Come on the media better, man. Although, you know what I mean, we like to see women show off them flaws and do them flaws and do insecure about it. But you can fix up yourself a couple times and come on the media, man. As a big woman.
Yeah, we don't want shit analyze ourselves.
Go fear. Somebody go fear and tell us I'm a caller. Because at this point, we are all women. From last week, me I said in RT, me I said call her and make she come tell me what is it she need. Because guess what? Uno help me a lot and uno don't know so no help me. Enough time when I look at $2 them and $5 them. It RT, it buy gas, put in my car.
True, but listen. If you come, I have you was just there. And then deal with Ivan and something, and then we done that. We deal with that. But more
Maybe fear something soft we can deal with all right now. But here what may I say to you. You reach one stage, me I tell a girl from last week, say, Goody, come tell me what is it you really need. What is it that you need?
A psychiatrist, a doctor, a ward.
Call her somebody, call
Exactly so
her. Has her number. I think a lot of people hate Ivani, so when they see you guys doing what you're doing for her, it becomes a bother and a problem.
I feel like
that's why Nurse
she
Brown
had a
get
problem
cussed
just because
the
the
poor
people
nice
are
man.
really see
Look at
certain
Nurse
things
Brown,
that
nice and sweet and sexy. And then cuss him and class him and all the Nurse Brown, me not laughing now. After you know, me just smile. Cause me didn't know.
I see you, me they are foreign, you know.
Nurse Brown, me didn't know
all
this
you
thing
not
about me, you know. Me did say to you, if you remember it, me said, then Nurse Brown, you ready for the classing and so. Me didn't know this was gonna happen.
Listen, but now see mama there at work and like two chat come up to me and say, hold on, you look like the guy with the on RT live. So people see me at work.
Yeah.
what more I say, people, like this man, who is he? Where is he from? What kind of relation is he to Ivani? How him reaching at the middle of everything? We never ask that question there because we never know him, we never hear about him, nothing at all before Ivani allegedly get whatever them say are go on right now, which me not believe. After that, then we hear about him and him come and him help RT raise whatever them raise, and now I think them are forward tomorrow again for raise and etc. Although, right? Who is he? Like, how come I never wanna Ivani friend them on social media or somebody where she link with dep on the live them? I do all of these things. Who is he? You don't know him? And Blinga say people don't like Ivani. Ivani have our people them. No matter how enough people don't like her, she have our people them. And Blinga say because people don't like Ivani and them are raise some money for her, why it cost so much things people are say a scam and them a say this and them a say that. Me no feel say a that. It's just the mystery where surround the situation and the confusion where the people them can't get a straight talk from nobody at all. And me not obligated to get no straight talk from nobody. I feel them business, me never give $1 yet, so you know what I mean? Me not obligated for nobody come tell me nothing. And me sure say the people them who are contribute, them know what go and why them contribute, or them are Ivani fans, why them contribute. You understand? So until me give them $1, then me can ask what them do or whatever. As me say, me already know. So me no need to ask them. You see me, but me no feel like say I like people don't like Ivani. Is everything we surround this thing like is a mystery. People want to know why this, why that, why this, why that. And I peer circle them, you know what I mean? I grow on, you know, and I tell you this, then they can tell you this, then they can tell you this, then they can tell you this. All different type of sitting them I tell you. You understand? So I just that why people have a problem. Listen to everybody. Everybody I say it's a scam. And not just one person. You understand? So we're gonna watch some more. And then we're gonna go over to ComCom for Serpy thing. Right? I'm going to tell me what I think in the comment section. You see me? So I can watch about a minute or few of this and then go over to ComCom.
Let me not tell you this thing that happen. Guys, call Lady Pig. Somebody call her on her phone. Tell her say RT and Bling call her.
I think she need a multifaceted help because money alone not gonna help her. I mean, I never agree with Destiny and whomever, the whole people who, because I was on the live and them a call her place and a harass her on live. I saw that. And that probably caused her to lose her job.
They did that.
That is why she lost her job.
That is why she lost her job.
People them ramp too rough more time.
People try to make me lose my job, to calling my job and telling lies and stuff like that. I know how it feels. I know she's in a predicament where she have to beg and offend on herself. It's not easy, not easy.
But Nurse Brown, nothing wrong with the begging. Listen to me, Nurse Brown. Hear me, let me tell you now. This is a begging app, a family app, a friendly app. You see me come out and start every day. Nurse Brown, if I want, I can make up my mind and just tap because people them and come serious and sit down and say, I'm telling you this. I need $500 today. Everybody send something right now. You understand me? So she can do the same thing. I true because more time I go.
Alright, with that said, we're gonna end this right here so and go over politics watch. Go just watch a little piece. ComCom thing where Serpy do. You see me? Alright, so make we hear that little piece of my people. More know how ComCom must feel, you know, maybe a little more she a go come for Serpy, but make we see what go on.
But I see him study kerosene video a long time. I'll be the first to tell you that there are some exceptional women out there, and if you're lucky to get one, can make your life 10 times better in every way.
That's true.
The verse is also true. But one of them acidic crosses kerosene, you better off digging your own grave. The cartwheel going night. I will play a video from one of these kerosene death machines, telling you how she roll. Check this out.
I'm going to the ear and go ask me. Let me tell you my problem. Let me tell you what everybody know about me. Me have 3 men were dead. My baby father, one of my next side man, them and one next boy when he love me half. Them dead police kill him at the time. Me and 2 of them alone dead. And them are dead and no bad and no. Then I never thief on them and that fire shut up a police and police blood clot and police kill them. So guess what now? Me not have no more problem. Me love bad man. Me used to mind them. Even now, if you meet a bad boy now, me feel like someone want to give money, me go give money, because me don't want him dead. Me go buy me shot them, me go buy me gun them, as long as he fuck me good, me go mind him. Me nah no other problem. You understand? Cause me supposed to mind me man, cause I'm my man. You get me? So, me no think you gonna win. Cause you don't know nothing about me and you know no secret for me. Cause that is my lighthouse stop. You get me? Me not have
The Eagle they want some castor oil and about 5 hours of soaking water mineral bath. 10 years time, she will enter her soft girl era. And Philip will save her. He'll put on his cape and save her. You see, your poverty cause murder rate experts are down bad like Manchester United. I find it fascinating that after 20 years of school, $5 million worth of student loan debt, and the best them can do is come up with a conclusion that it is poverty that caused our country to have a high murder rate. I told you this is laughable. From day one, me tell you it's our culture and mindset. Culture is just one word, music sum it up. Music sum it up. But if you draw a Venn diagram, then you see this a part of the culture, that a part of the culture, that a part of the culture, and all of them rest up as one big recipe for disaster. The culture of Jamaica.
Alright, so if you don't want to see the rest of people, you can go over there, go watch it. But basically, what I must say, people that say poverty, what I say, breed crime. That is not lie, you know what I mean? That a part of what breeds crime in our country. Because notice every country, every poor country, the crime rate is very high. So that a part of it. But culture is the next thing where breed crime also. The gunman culture. Remember the artists them in Jamaica, them sing about this and them sing about that, and most of them want to prove say them are this and them are that, so them link with the man them where do this and do that, and them are help do this and do that, and influence the same man them where them are power for do this and do that. Right? So that a part of the culture too. So a man hear a song and hear a man say sitting in a song and want to go do it. Remember, you know, music a big influence upon people, you know. You remember the time when Alkaline do a song? Me have couple dogs who would have dead for me. And every man of them a sing that. Massacre and Cartel come sing one song. My dogs them a Philip. Every man want, you see me, at that they are running the place. So enough time how the artists sing influence the youth them to do certain things. You see me I say, with come you know, she is just a woman who love bad man. And she says she will buy them machine and she will buy them shot. That is not another life you buy them, you know. That only I go put them in a more problem. Put them in a more trouble. If you meet a bad man and say, boy, you are change him life, the first thing you have to plan for do, I take him out of him environment for him inner. That now go necessarily, you know what I mean, change him or stop him from get dirt. But that is a temporary solution for draw him away from the environment. But when you go give him machine and you go give him shot, you just send him more in a badness. And if she forward upon life and say, boy, a tree man she have where you get caught up and drop out. You look away upon fear side still. But to each his own. You know what I mean? Me just see it and me surprised when me see it. Because I remember the life with she and Bling, you know. I think this at the time when she did a cuss mackerel. Yeah, I think this at the time when she did a cuss mackerel and then she attacked some things. You know what I mean? And me know say right now Come is like she kinda feel some type of way, say she come on the internet and she say certain things. Me don't know if she gonna regret what she say. Is it? But she get put in a one light where me not think she like the light there. Where she get put in upon the media. Right? But them say the words of your mouth defy you. You see me I say? So Me don't know if she regrets say she forward upon the media and say certain things or get viral upon the media and people have them different opinion upon her. You see me? But you know what I mean? And what you see at the end of the day them are gonna use against you. But me I tell you, say me frightened when me see this. And cause and him baby mother, the one where she and Cam can't agree, the one named Sasha. Them did up on live I think yesterday. And me don't know if you see the clip. And she read the comment them on the live. And she read one comment where say something about Sir P whatever. So somebody on the live talk about this video. Yeah. You know what I mean? So I make me know when I think in the comment section people. I got hear where D I say about the situation where the woman come say her husband breed her. A girl still, not woman, a girl. And this make you have to open up your eye when it come to people on the media. You can't believe everything what you hear. You see me? So make we hear where she a say.
Kuno. I'm a black kuno. No, taps don't give money. Me black kuno because uno are real supporters of me then. Cause if uno are real supporters of me, uno would not follow up that brother. Me have supporters where click on the page and screen record themselves and block the page and send me. They not have to do that. But them assure me say, yo, we love you. And you will say, Mama, we not watch that. We not believe that. Me respect them people there. So me go back over there when me done. I want us not other uno over there. Me I go back over there and me a block every mama, every single one I know. We follow the page, I am blocking you guys. Me a block uno. And if that make me hype, if that make gonna hate me and then become other trollers of me, that's fine. That's fine. But I'm going back over there and I'm blocking all of you guys. Because I never came on social media with the intention to be bitter, with the intention to come every day and be cursing with people. I never came on here with that intention. I came on social media with the intention to share my life, share my story, so other females or male can be inspired by it. That was my main intention when I came on social media. I never come on social media for all of this. Everybody with my custom on social media, God up in heaven, me know, so me never plan none of them. It just happened. It just happened. And I would never do this to them. Never do this to them. Unbreakable, thank you. And my moderators, I love and I appreciate everyone at Uno. But me gon' give Uno a job now. You see any one of them, Uno see over there, in a mama section, I say no negative or under any screen recording pan ya, uno block them. Me a go start me a give uno the okay. As a matter of fact, me a go moderate 30 people today. Me a go moderate 30 people today. To black out the whole of uno. Me no need them energy in my life, brother. Me no need them energy in my life. Me want upliftment. I love me want love a good things me want around me, brother. Imagine say I'm a birthday month, brother. I'm a can't enjoy my birthday month in peace. Imagine say I'm a baby birthday, brother. I'm gonna mash up my baby party. Eh? Oh God have mercy, man. Me could even do a birthday job for my baby, brother. Me could even click on my life and say, come guys, on the job 1 and 2 little gift for Amora, cause on the son of Amora uncle and aunties. Me could even do that. Me do my baby birthday party and the whole of me guests them will come a party. I come to me, D, what's going on TikTok? D, are you good? Are you okay? Babe, you good? Like, the attention left from my baby to me. Everybody wanted to know if I was good and it was not my party. It reached to the point where I started feeling like something was wrong with me. Because the fact that everybody come and ask me if me good, make me feel like me not good. Me start wonder if my face set away or I wonder if my body language a move away while everybody just a concerned about me. Me could enjoy my baby first birthday party. Up to now, me can't believe this. And then look, my phone fuck up. So it's like from yesterday to today, I just pay a bad vibe, brother. Pay a bad vibe. Pay a bad vibe, bro. And uno don't know how me feel. Like, uno don't know how me feel, brother. Uno don't know how me feel. To all the people that might bring me down, me feel like a real something. Imagine if Jelani did do this for true. Imagine if Jelani did do this for true. Imagine if this man did do this for true. I saw some comments and I couldn't believe it, girl. But not lie. The hate was a lot more than the love. But you see the people that love me, them really and truly, they must stand up and them attack. They must stand up and them attack for me, you know. They must stand up and them attack for me. Look over from the other day, I said, Jelani, we need to start the back YouTube. I don't think Jelani go start the back YouTube now. For us. This man I probably not even come back live on this none at all. If we like literally, bro.
Alright, so people may did see the thing. You know what I mean? Me did watch it for a couple minutes. A female forward pan Bling them live and the female start tell them stories, say, you know what I mean, say she a deal with fear man and the man takes her and one bag or something. And now she a breed and but Bling them did kinda skeptic in a way where them want to find out if this are really true. Cause you know, you go want to find out if I really true that person you tell. But you don't know how for them show set up where anybody can forward with whatever story and them are gonna make a person talk, you know what I mean? It's a place where you can voice your opinion without people you know what I mean? If the people them wanna have no voice for voice them opinion. I look a mix up thing where I want to say but the entertaining, right? So the girl I go in and I talk a bunch of things, but me never stay too long and watch it. You understand me? But you see a lot of things and people start run with it as well you hear what thing they say. People start run with it and start bash she and start going away. So that's why you see on the media you have to be careful where you believe. Because anybody can come with something and you believe what them say without any type of proof or anything. You see it? So you know, have to just don't be too gullible on the internet. So we go watch some more and hear what she has said. But me not lie. The girl she come in and say a lot more people. If you need to watch it live, you need to hear her.
Yeah, I have puppies still. I never believed the rumor for a minute. It was so obvious that it was a fake page. I love how you kept your cool until the truth. Of course, Chad. They want to tear you down so bad, it's a shame. Yeah, because up to now I don't see what I did wrong. Even my husband feel like say me this thing for the media, so him feel up to right now. He felt like I didn't have his back. He said me never give him the benefit of the doubt. Him say anyhow me never did get proof say it's a lie, would have believed the girl over him. And me not wrong him for think that for a minute. Because people in the comment sections were like, oh, you are being biased. Yeah, pick up for your husband. And all I did was say to this girl, send me proof then. Since as you are saying that this is this, send me proof.
Simple as that.
Until it reached the point where my husband start asking proof too. Because him see me ask the proof, so him ask the proof too. And then Una say, why am I asking proof in guilty? You get where me I come from? It reached to the point where Me honestly feel like me let him down for real. Because me should have really and truly stand on business and say, girl, go suck out the last party of mama and come off of my name. I should have dealt with it. But to be honest, guys, I myself needed to know that this was a lie. I am only human. My husband is human. Him can't fuck up. Jelani is not above cheating. He can mess up like any and everybody else because he's a human being too. So I myself needed proof.
That's true. Nothing wrong with that.
You get me? So me could have just come out right off the bat and say, hey girl, you too lie. I lie you tell. I couldn't do that.
Then them would have called her, yeah, mate.
I had to see, I like me to have to hold my own and just tough it out and go through. You get me? Why? I don't feel guilty, Ashley. Me just feel like, say, I don't know. Me just feel like, as when you say, you feel like me never really have him back. So you feel like, he say whole world was against him and he feel like me did it on his side. Because me never did. Me never know if you explain it. Like, me literally right now, me stuck between a rock and a fucking hard place because, no, brother. Oh, thank you, 11. Thank you, baby. Guys, we can work on a live goal, please. We can get some money guns who have donuts. Come on, guys. Wanna help me now, man. I want to fix the phone back, please. D, thank you. I see people are sending requests to come in at the box, but guys, that phone I can't even charge 3 good enough. To be honest, me literally afraid for add someone upon my life because someone they behind some blood clot fake page with some fucking story there to blood clot. Me not able, brother. I wanna come up here and start tell more lie again. Can't bother with them the vibes there right now. Me are telling you the truth. Me. Guys, mentally I'm fucked because me just don't know if for that, me don't know if for turn. Anybody on the live want help me? Wanna help me? I appreciate it. Me see. So me feel like me can't trust her. Me see she like
morning.
And I talk the truth. Candy, you hear me?
Yeah, me I hear. What no?
I'm gonna hear good so you cut them now.
This morning me get up and
guys,
I do all of the
hear me not coming to the phone and not good. Tell me if you not hear each other. You not hear me? Not
yeah,
hear
me I hear you.
Oh, alright, me I hear you.
Girl, me go sleep early, so I never did up on the live in the late hours. But I see the screenshot them when I get up this morning.
Oh, somebody did post the screenshot them.
No, you post it, me see it on your status.
Morning. Can everyone hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you.
Hi. Yeah, sorry. I'm only just seeing all this stuff as well this morning. I'm English, so if the accent, it look strong.
It's double of what I'm making.
Let me see who else me can add. I'm more wake up, so I'm gonna be there quick and fast. I put her so close and then come back out.
Alright.
Okay.
I don't want to leave too much people on the live though, because I don't want the confusion.
Listen, you're not wrong. Do not listen to nobody else, yeah? One thing about it and 2 things for certain is you're married. Do you understand? So at the end of the day, you can't just leave it and say you're gonna believe her, but you can't just not ask for proof. Do you get it?
Yeah, so me I hear on you, so no go and talk, but me I come. Me I hear on me inside. Me I baby, me I come.
You need to ask for proof to protect yourself because he is human. Like, he can slip. He is human. But at the same time, you need to protect your husband because anyone can come up and say about fuckery. It is what it is.
I must say, from a see this thing I go, I know say somebody actually come up with some foolishness. If you really look on it at first, you see over picture she put up, blue picture she put up as a profile pic.
She wants
and D and blue and a friend.
Problem,
so she makes sure that she finds somebody. She just take the spotlight from herself. Because she put it on Blue now for the things, alright? A Blue, I do this. For she come and she cuss Blue. And second of all, she start post other people picture. If you look on it. Because I want next girl picture, she go on her page, go take off and post on her page. So she had two somebody that she take as conflict of interest already. Two somebody picture she put up on the page. Two different somebody. And for her picture still not go up yet on the page.
Sure, I'm saying. See, I didn't even see all of that. All I saw was on, I think it was Ranker's drama. I saw the little screen recordings of obviously of the live over Blinga. I don't even go to Blinga like that. I can't even lie. It's just a bit mixed up for me. But from what I'm seeing over when D was asking about the proof and that, and then the guy was talking and she's talking about how she didn't want to meet up. Is she gonna agree to meet up with D? She didn't want Jelani to kill her. Let me tell you something. If it was true, for a fact of if you and Jelani lay together, no matter what the case may be, you should be okay to look up at that man's face. If you did lay together as if it was true and say yeah in his face and say yeah, me lay with you. If it's true,
you know when I know said this a foolishness too. Last night when I did on Blinga live, hear the girl said she 5 months pregnant and she said she and Jelani have sex February. That now maths.
That alone should have showed the people them said that girl yet. Alright, make we check people. John was tired. Why? And that's why you can't be so gullible still, you know, people. So we are going to end this right here, so we are going to go over and hear with Coco Exp0Se people. You know, say Coco are hearted, you know, Coco are mad, you know. You see me? So make we hear what Coco Exp0Se say, you know.
None of them feel like someone can take the bomber clad set for me, you know. If they have one another one from Clarendon, when I tell them, I see like she like up certain comments and I block the girl come on the internet, come bring me down and I take a blood clot set for me. No, bomber clad country monkey, dirty tribe. You know, it's 95 workers. I say it's a bad thing, but me never have to. I didn't have to. Especially in my type of field, I never had to. What I do is I flip my money. And because I am smart and I flip my money and I use my money and put my money to use, a lot of blood clot hate me for that. And even if you come around and try for bomber clot, you know, get a little help from me, when you resent me and bring me down because here we go on. You don't want to see a woman that look like you have not more than you. When that boost up white woman and foreign woman and have it to say, yeah, you know, she do good, but tear down a person like blood clot. Me don't want none of you feel like someone can take the bomber clot set for me, you know. If they have one another one from Clarendon, when I tell them, I see like she like up certain comments and I block the girl come on the internet, come bring me down and I take a blood clot set for me. No, bomber clot country monkey, dirty ass bitches. Could never be fucking me. When I have to live in my fucking shadow. And up until this day, I'm the baddest blood thing ever out of Jamaica when they come on to stripping, when they come on to fucking OnlyFans, online, cyber hustling, any fucking thing that can murder me at the top fucking bitch. You hear that? I stay upon first page, never back page. You hear me say? And that's when they eat blood clot me for. So I feel like someone need to come toe to toe with me and come compete with me and in a bomber clot back and forth with me. They're the baddest ever to step foot out of Jamaica when they come on to them something.
Lock shot.
I don't not your fucking like. You could do your body some more, you're not a fucking tick. And never you ever feel like a fucking shoe. I never ever wanna feel like say and come try fucking taunt me, I'm a fucking life. I make people like me. Don't take it as a fucking remember say I have a look at that power kills. Bitch. I know the school where she got to. You fuck yourself. And that me I tell you. I get up every day, I try to tear down people. And I try to set up people's life. Because I'm a bad mind. I don't want to wait on a turn. I don't want to wait. I don't have no creativity. I don't have no sense. I don't have ear head. Everything I see people can do, I don't have to do it. Everything. I don't have no sense at all. Everything I see people have to do. when I use lies to tear down and set up people, when you not use obia. When you use lies, when you use rumors, allegations, all sorts of things. I'm crazy in real kid life, and that's the only bad thing about me. I'm a fucking ass bitch. You know, when I get mad, good minds or feel like saying money, I taught me and my livelihood and all my move around. I was nearly 2 years now this time, I never come online, come talk about it. Laalee was hot them time there when it did happen, and I did not talk about it. Seeing them him gone back again, because to me it's like a fucking one it wonder. I don't want it wonders. I don't. Most of the man them I star them in a real life. Most of them. So, I don't fuck niggas like that. I see them niggas like kind of groupie niggas, so I don't niggas like, right? And that's all I said. And this bitch care about me name with one only bad things, other things that me never say. Never say no. Me never that chatty. Me don't know nothing about him. You as a woman not have to care about my name. That a woman to woman talk. But then again, when no corrupt and no bad mind and no this and no that, this is what you no do. This is what you guys do. This is what you guys do when you want to seek validation. Bitch, you will never be me. Dirty ass bitch.
At the end of the day, still enough people. You say if a female cool with a person and you talk sideways about them, chances are 95% of the time them are going to tell about that person what you say about them. You see me? And me did a wonder how he end up in it, so me just find out how he end up in it, because me hear she did call him name, but I guess me never hear that part yet. So it look like say like maybe they don't want whatever for she, and she has say him not in our league. You understand? Cause no matter how you see a female say them a dance and sitting on them way there, you know. At them the woman there I look for top of the top man them, you know. Them no want just any man, you know. Worse if them thing up a little bit, them now go just want any man. And he's a good looking artist still, but him not really up there like that. You understand? So maybe that's why she never wanted that. Go at someone.
Be fucking me. You'll never be. I will Clark Rotten. You will never be me. And you will never make the money that I make. Because you cheap. And you stink. You never have what I have. Go and find your own fame. Go and find your own name. Go and find your own creativity. Go and find your own lane. And then now you can compete with me. First part of competing is being yourself. Bitch, y'all don't know how to be yourself. You need to use somebody as a stepping stone for even get publicity. Like, who the fuck does that, bitch? I went viral off using my own fucking self. Not because of controversy and bumbleclap mix up. Everything gonna try to use mix up. Mix up this, mix up that. Eh? What did you get, big sour bitch? Where did you get? Big chop back gal? Where the bumbleclap did you get? Eh? What did you get? What did you get? You got nothing. You got nothing at all. You got nothing. All of y'all bitches settle for the bare minimum and they don't want to hate a bitch like me that knows my worth. If I want thing about me, I have moral. People can't tell me anything about myself. Oh, she's this, she's that. No, I have fucking morals. I always have fucking morals. I always know my worth. I know when to accept people, when not to accept people. When to do this, when not to do this. Not because I do know my worth. You have to always put value for yourself Otherwise, you're going to get up every day and live in a people's shadow like Coco the Tick. You're going to get up every day and I try to tear down people like Coco the Tick and I try to be like Coco the Tick. You have to know your worth and know yourself and be yourself. Y'all bitches can't be yourself because here what you're ready a bitch like me for my things. Ready a bitch like me for my things. The fuck, you save my video and then you have people in my DM come talk to me about ice. About ice. You couldn't have a man a fuck your daughter too. Cause you look hungry. Let's say CDA pop up on your yard now. Cause it's a careless mama. And you do all of them where you make for your cheap brokers pop down as OnlyFans. You make all of them video there in your room with part of Pitney. So let's talk about that, Miss Madam. Let's talk about that in a little catch up blood clot pliers. In there you make all of your video them. And let's say I call CDA since when you want to come text it for me. And the older one want to come bring me down and tell lie upon me and try to set up my life and dictate to me when I post and not to post. Let's say I call CDA and tell them that you are irresponsible mother exposing your daughter and sex. Let's say that. Let us say that. Yes, that condition she live in have a daughter. And on top of that, the daughter stay in the place where she live and I make video. I have dildos and ties in her home in where she hardly even hide those stuff or hardly even have anywhere to hide these things. Don't fucking me. Do not play with me. Do not play with me. You hear me say? Any one of you bitches feel like say, we're not gonna try to take no set from me and my brand and my name and decried me. A liar blood cartel. Do not take no set from me. Enough things me say talk, me ignore it. Know why me ignore it? Wanna below me. Even when me fall off, wanna below me, you know, body. But I think my problem is too. Me forget say when they up on the top, all the look rat them I go try attack you. All the look nobody them I go always attack you. All of the look nobody them I go always try attack you. When you're at the top, you have to mingle with people that is at the top, and it's just the truth. Once you mingle with dogs, you will forever catch flea, and that was my issue. I'm just trying to help people, and helping me to help people backfire upon me to the point where they carry my name to an artist and have the artist I call my phone and threaten my life. Insecure, dirty ass, broke ass bitches like you will never be me. You don't even love yourself. My biggest goal and my biggest thing is that I love myself. That's how I survive out here on the internet.
Alright, so people want to tell more nothing about that. Is the video kind of longer still, but I'm going to cut it right here, so. You see me I say? So, let me know what you think in the comment section, because more while Coco the tick forward on the net and she gets some things off her chest. You see? And she always I say people do certain things. You know what I mean? And I try to bring her down every chance them get. More and on a comment about them things there. You see, because she always attack how people mess up, you know. Even her friend. What year she said she have to cut off on her friend because of the same thing. So, let me know what you think in the comment section of people. Right, just so me I go end this.